Hello everyone, welcome to Chemical Engineering Education. In today's video, we are going to simulate a valve unit operation in DWSIM. We have one inlet stream, propane in liquid phase at 25 degrees centigrade with 10 bar with a flow rate of 80 kg per hour. We'll use Peng Robinson property package since propane is a hydrocarbon and PR handles hydrocarbon very accurately. PR means Peng Robinson. The propane will be throttled through an adiabatic valve where the outlet pressure drop from 10 bar down to 2 bar. Our objective is to find the outlet temperature, outlet vapor fraction and whether a phase change occur after throttling. Remember, a valve is an isenthalpic process, mean enthalpy remain constant across the valve. This is the famous Joule Thomson effect. As pressure drop, temperature also drops. So without further delay, let's open DWSIM and do the simulation. Let's get started. So here is the DWSIM. So now click create new. Then it will open that simulation configuration widget, then click next. So here we have to select the component. So here component is propane, so you have to select that. Then we have to select the properties package, so that is Peng Robinson, so add that. Okay, then click next. Now again I am choosing as a C5 the customize unit, so then click next. Now here you don't have to do any other thing, so click next and then finish. Now as we are doing that valve unit operation simulation, so from here we have to take the valve. Okay, so now valve is like that. Now you can change the icon. Okay, so it will be looking good, so you can see here. Okay, so this is a valve. Now inlet, that is propane, inlet propane, okay, and then in that inlet, so condition is, we have to check the condition is here 25 degree centigrade 10 bar 80 kg. Okay, 25 degree centigrade, then 10 bar. Okay, we have to check that. Okay, everything is okay. Mole fraction, no problem. Mole fraction, or you can take the mass fraction. So mass fraction accept, that is okay, fine, no issue. So temperature is 25 degree centigrade, pressure 10 bar, and then we have to take that flow rate is I think 80 kg per hour. So here we are giving 80 kg per hour, so you can check that. So 25 degree centigrade 10 bar 80 kg per hour. Now go to the valve. So here uh, we can select the pressure drop. So here pressure drop is something, how much pressure drop we have to check that again from here. So outlet pressure is 2 bar, right? Pressure drop across the valve. Okay, so we have to choose that pressure drop, or maybe here that outlet pressure is 2 bar, right? So we have to do that. So now, and we don't have to do any other thing. Okay, so everything is sorted out. Okay, now calculate, sorry, this 2 bar, we have to do that. Now you can check that. So here the 25 degree centigrade 10 bar. Okay, now here the temperature is drop. Okay, 25 degree minus 25, so here that minus 2 bar. Okay, so molar enthalpy minus 16132.4. So here molar enthalpy the same. So now here you can insert the properties. Okay, so here that inlet propane, temperature, pressure, that mass flow, then specific enthalpy of the mixture or molar enthalpy, so whatever. Okay, so we can take all this, so we don't need this one. Okay, and then what about outlet? So we can take outlet insert properties here. So outlet again to temperature, pressure, mass flow, then specific enthalpy or molar enthalpy. Other things also you can add, so we don't need other. So here we can see that. Okay, so molar enthalpy, so that will be same, that is minus 1632.4, and specific enthalpy of the mixture, that is minus 365.8. so it is a so you can see that isenthalpic process. So H in is equal to H out. Okay, now and from here you can see that the what will be the enthalpy, and then pressure change, so temperature is also changing, so throttle process. So suddenly that pressure is going high pressure to it coming to the low pressure, so as a result, so temperature will be down, and it is a isenthalpic process. That's it. If you feel this video is okay for you, so please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.